Hello dear friends. Now you can see another selection of a massive product from Amazon. The link to the product is in the description box of the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell buttons. So let's go. Top 5 Best Blender for Ice Review. Number 1. COSORI Blender. COSORI Blender 1500W for Shakes is the revolutionary blender that instantly crushes ice, fruits, and nutrients into your drinks. It is the best way to prepare a delicious smoothie, protein shake, or even green juice. This blender will power through anything you throw into it, giving you a beverage with a perfect texture every time. It comes with an advanced 800W motor, which has the ability to power through frozen fruits without any pre-chopping required. It has two 24-ounce cups and one 12-ounce cup. The cups all feature double-wall vacuum insulation, which keep your drinks cold for up to 24 hours. It has a total capacity of 70 fluid ounces, which is the perfect amount for a tall glass of delicious shake. Number 2. ZWILLING Blender. Includes a 500-watt personal blender with piranha teeth cross blade and a travel cup with lid. Use the combination to blend smoothies, shakes and more. Cross blade is ideal for crushing ice and frozen fruits, while the travel cup with lid is ideal for taking your favorite smoothie to go. The blender's BPA-free 20-ounce jar is made of shatter-resistant glass for safe and easy carrying. The personal blender is compact and lightweight for convenient transportation. It has one speed, which is perfect for mixing, blending and crushing all your favorite foods. Number 3. WANTJOIN Blender. WANTJOIN Professional Blender is a 2200W commercial blender. The heavy-duty motor power can crush all the fruits, vegetables, ice with ease. The stainless steel blades will never rust and always sharp. The 2200W professional power is more than enough for a busy kitchen. A smart timer to help keep you on track. Whether crushing ice for a perfect summer cocktail or making a meal in a blender, the innovative touchscreen display will help you get the job done quickly and efficiently. A great tool for making the most popular frozen drinks, fruit smoothies, protein shakes, cold brew coffee, and more. The specially designed blade was designed to crush ice, frozen fruits, vegetables, and more effectively, but also can be used to grind coffee, herbs, and spices. Number 4. BLENDTEC Blender. With the classic 575, you can rest assured that your morning smoothie or fresh juice will be blended to perfection. This powerhouse blender features a 575-watt motor that pulverizes frozen and wet ingredients. Think ice, fruit, and veggies with ease. Plus, the motor and all other parts are sealed within a durable metal enclosure, making the classic 575 a powerful and reliable addition to your kitchen. Number 5. SYBO Super Blender. The SYBO HS210 Professional Blender is the perfect blender for high-volume commercial use. Offering high torque, rotating blade system and patented 4D blade technology, the HS210 Professional features an automatic ice crushing function, which grinds, chops and purees frozen fruits, ice, and frozen yogurt. The powerful 1400-watt motor is more than enough to handle all of your blending needs. The HS210 Professional features a durable motor that can handle a variety of foods, including heavy-duty, fibrous vegetables and greens without the motor slowing down or the blades burning out. Featuring motor protection technology, the HS210 Professional offers a no-fuss, no-hassle, worry-free blending experience. The built-in sensors automatically shut down the machine when it overheats to prevent damage and injury. From frozen fruit smoothies to healthy juice blends, the SYBO HS210 Professional Commercial Blender has the power and capacity to handle it all. The SYBO HS210 blends great ingredients into delicious smoothies and drinks. And this smoothie maker is super quiet, making it the best blender for smoothies in the house or in the office. Thanks for watching my video.